So yeah, this today we had news by 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Consumer confidence and manufacturing index. This is average impact. It's not so high. It's not so low, but it brings volume to the market. And the thing about me is what I usually do. I'm usually very patient with myself, especially when I know there's news by 10. I don't want to always fall victim of high volatility and getting stopped out because I'm a scalper. I take trades on 1 minute. I'm in and out of the market. My stops are not always so high, and sometimes when you have news like that, news comes out, boom, you're out of the market because of the high volatility that occurs afterwards. So I was like I said, I was patient. I said I would wait till this 4 hour candle till the 10 a.m. candle forms, which is when the news is being released. But I saw my setup before then. My initial bias for the day was bearish, but I saw something that just clicked to me that sometimes your bias can change within the line, and it just comes from my market intuition. What I initially planned on saying for the day today was this index ES and NQ retracing down into the discounted price range. What I thought was market was going to fill this fair value gap enough, to continue to the upside, but it didn't. And it's totally fine. I'm not the one controlling the market. I'm only here to react to it, and that was simply what I did today. I simply reacted to what the market was showing me. Right. So hold on. Let me 1 hour by 9. Hold on. Let me set this up. A second. So yeah, by 9 a.m. like I said, by 9 a.m. I was still waiting for the 10 a.m. candle closure. But as you all know, previous session manipulation, right, and reversal is equals to new session continuation. That is, if London session is being swept and reversed, New York session will just continue the trend. If you know what I'm saying. Maybe later in my next videos or in my other videos I'll be able to show it on charts, but this is very, very, very good key point in trading. If New York sweeps London, there's a possible reversal that will occur, and this is exactly what happened today, right? You can see on the 1 hour time frame, the charts was looking on the 4 hour time frame. The chart was looking kind of bearish, but when New York session opened, as you can see here, this is London session lows, right? Sorry, I've already drawn the SMT before. Let me remove it. Okay, let me just leave it. This is London session lows right here, and on ES this is London session low. On NQ, New York swept London, but on ES it didn't sweep London. So when that occurred, an SMT was created, a divergence was created. So I was like, okay, maybe ES is the leading index and NQ is the lagging index, and that was exactly how I took my trade today. Scale down to the 5 minute time frame. I saw this SMT by 9:45, right? 9:45. Yes, I'm like, there may be a possible reversal today, but I did not take the trade on the break of structure. When I saw the SMT divergence with ES, I scaled down to the lower time frame, and I had another confirmation. There was a fair value gap that was invalidated on the 1 hour time frame, which created an inversion right here, and I was like, perfect, let me just take my chance, and I took the trade. When I took the trade, it was a winning trade. This is not really my A+ setup. This trade was as a result of pure market intuition. I've seen this happen before, and that was what gave me the confidence to go ahead with this trade. This is not normally how I trade, but it's not like it's a bad trade, but it's like if you've seen something before over and over again, it just becomes muscle memory, and when you see it, you act upon it. That's a good way of trading. So today's trade, I risked 1.35 on my account, and it's actually demo. As you can see, like I said before, I'm not really trading Profirms from now. I'm not trading live accounts from now. I'll be back on Profs. Wasted so much money on Profirms that I can't even imagine. Like I'm like I can't keep throwing money on the line like that. So I just have to, not really my strategy or me not having knowledge of trading. I do have a good knowledge of trading. I just need to work more on my psychology and my discipline when it comes to the markets. So
Hey, hi. Can we talk? If that's all right.
1 minute. Give me. I'm busy.
Okay, you got 1 minute.
So yeah. See you guys in the next video. Oh my God. I'm going to post this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.